Hi lovelies, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you make home and entertaining simple. In my previous video, I showed you how I packed a carry-on luggage for a 10-day trip to Prague and Budapest. I went with my daughter and it was such a blast to spend that time with her and her first time ever to Europe. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I packed my personal tote, and since this is a work conference, the main thing that I have to have in here is my laptop. I got a new laptop at work, so I needed a new bag for it. I wanted one that had a classic design to it. The material here is that water-resistant type of vinyl, and the straps are the basic tote straps that you would find. There's no extra strap that goes with this. The zippers work fine on here. There's a little pocket here. And I did like that it has this black and white stripe inside. A lot of my stuff is black, like example, a wallet or an eyeglass case. And so I need to have a different color inside aside from black, because when you put black against black, it kind of disappears. A larger pocket. And then this is the pocket for the laptop. And it has this zipper. It closes nicely. And then on the other side, it has this other pocket, and see how it has a different material there. It's nice and silky. That also has a zipper. I'll put the link to this tote in the description box below so you can see the measurements and the other reviews on it, and also the price. This is kind of what I really liked about it. It has a pocket here, and then another pocket here, and then it has this mesh section here. So pocket there, a pocket there. This one's a little bit smaller, and then another smaller section for the mesh. And then you have this whole area also. It has this opening here where you just slip it onto the handle of your carry-on, and I tell you, it is so convenient. I think it's for keys. I didn't put my keys on there. Of course, for me, traveling, having your keys hanging out there is probably not the best thing, but I guess if you want to use it, you could kind of stick it in there, and I guess it stays there enough. I chose this also because it was showing that it opens up that wide, so it can be this small and it opens up to this width. It fits in here just like that. I do like to have the opening facing up so I can see the notch there. And then I just make sure that it's closed. I wanted to show you this travel wallet that I got. So I had to find one that was going to hold at least 4 passports because we do plan to travel again as a family. So I knew I had always wanted one with a wristlet, because this is very convenient when you are at the check-in counter or you're talking to the lady at the gate. Just having this on your wrist makes it feel more secure, and it lets you be hands-free if you have to grab something from them, or have a piece of paper or show your boarding pass. If not, make sure to have a little loop, and you can always buy a wristlet separately. It is also RFID. It has this opening pocket here. Now, I didn't really use this because I just didn't want something to slip out, but here in the zippered pocket in front is where I would stick my iPhone when I was just using this and doing different stuff. I had a specific coin purse, and I like that they were different colors, so it was designated red for one country and black for the other country. Here is what it looks like inside, and then you flip it. This is where it holds the passports and then other cards. So a lot of boarding passes are already on the apps, but if your airline does not provide an app, they're going to print you a boarding pass, or if you're doing a connecting flight, they're going to print you a boarding pass. So I like to put the boarding pass of the current flight that we are going on here at the top, and any boarding passes that we've already used, I fold it and I put it here. And here's another pocket that I can put more used boarding passes. Now I keep my boarding passes all the way till I get back home because it has your name on it, and then I take it and I shred it. Most of these travel wallets have a little loop here for a pen. You always want to bring a pen because you're filling out customs forms. Maybe you're buying stuff for duty-free. So I had decided to put the money that is not US dollars here in this clear spot, because it's a cue for me that these are the bills that I still have from this country, and I can use that versus taking out more money from the ATM or using my card. A lot of places wanted cash. And then at the end of my trip, when I get back to Phoenix, I exchange the money. Okay, so when you turn it, here's a place for a passport, passport, passport. So there's 3 slots, but you can double up this for, you know, the 4th passport. You can even have 6 passports if you want. I like these 2 little slots because they're cut in so you could grab it easily, but it's also further in that you're not going to see the names or the number. This is my debit card, and then this is my driver's license. You can use this for keys, 5 slots for more cards. In this deeper back pocket, I have my insurance cards. And then this one is a little mesh pocket with a zipper. So this is where I would put receipts that I need to reimburse for my work part of my trip. There's also a zippered pocket behind the card slots where I put US dollars for me to exchange when I get to that country. So I put the travel wallet in the bigger pocket of the tote with the wristlet going down so it doesn't get in the way of the zipper. Next, I put my sunglasses with the case and then my eyeglasses with the case. I like to have some type of see-through bag for my electronic stuff. So when I'm going through security, take out my laptop, take out these 2 bags and put them in the bin. The zippers facing the same way, they're to the left. This section is more like personal toiletries. So here I have my toothbrush stuff. I've shown this before, my friend gave this to me. I have my toothpaste and dental floss and my travel electric toothbrush. That will go here on the far left. This is my makeup bag. My only other makeup was foundation in a tube, so that went in my toiletries bag. And then I have this eyeglass case that opens like that. This is for trash. Okay, and I put it there on the right. This is my pill box. Can you see it? There. And then I always bring tissue. I'm always blowing my nose. This pocket is where I would put my phone. I always need cough drops when I travel. I'm not sure why. I guess it's the dry air. And then I have a granola bar here and then some trail mix. And I always bring hand sanitizer with me. This is from Bath and Body Works. Another thing that I pack in my personal carry-on is this folder with all of the printed reservations for hotels, for tours, even directions from, let's say, the train station to the Airbnb, because I might not have access to Wi-Fi. That fits nicely here where the laptop is, and I like to keep it where the opening is facing up. I hope you like this video of how I packed my personal carry-on for an international trip with a laptop. If you're new to my channel and you like organizing, decluttering, and entertaining videos, please consider subscribing. That's what I do here on my channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know what's important to you as far as packing a personal carry-on. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.